doing what they're created to do. Yeah, she gets over the top of them and she's closing that distance. And you gotta hope that you do it. Yes. Can you find one? Let's go. Let's hunt them up. Let her work this out a bit. But she had something. Atta girl. Come on. We're out here. Our blood pressure's pretty dang low. We're hanging out with guys we like to hang out with. Like this is the worst day of hunting, and it's awesome. I'm all wet. I'm so proud of you. Yeah, I'm so proud of you.